In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Progress Bar on Monday.com. If you manage tasks or projects on Monday.com, a visual progress bar is one of the quickest ways to scan how far along each item is. It translates multiple status updates into a single, easy-to-read percentage, so you and your team can spot what's on track and what needs attention at a glance. First, open a board in your Monday.com account. This can be any board where you keep tasks, projects, or deliverables. Make sure you have permission to edit columns on that board, especially if it's shared with a wider team. Choose a board that already uses status columns for things like To Do, In Progress, and Done, because the progress bar reads those statuses to calculate completion. Next, click Add Column. You'll find this on the far right side of your column headers. Adding a column won't change your existing data, and you can always move or rename it later, so it's safe to try on a live board. If you keep your columns organized left to right, from inputs to outputs, plan to place the progress bar near the right for quick scanning. Now, in the column center that opens, type Progress Tracking and click it. Monday.com will insert a Progress Tracking column that displays a colored bar with a percentage for each item. Behind the scenes, it looks at the status columns on your board and calculates how many are marked complete. If your board has several status columns, the bar averages their completion to produce a single number. If you don't use status columns yet, the bar will remain at 0 until those statuses exist and get updated. From here, simply continue working the way you already do. As team members move items to their done statuses, the progress bar updates automatically. You can rename the column to something like Overall Progress, and you can drag it to the position that makes the most sense for your workflow. If the numbers look off, review which statuses your team treats as complete, and keep those conventions consistent across the board. That's all it takes to add a clear, reliable visual indicator of progress to your board. With one quick glance, you can prioritize follow-ups, report to stakeholders, and keep momentum without digging through individual updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using the progress tracking column to keep your projects moving forward.